I live in the UK, and anyone who's pretty much near Newcastle will know that there's a really big storm going on. And I'm gonna just turn my camera around. Hang on. Look at the sky. It's so grey. It's scary. We've seen like 2 flashes, but no thunder. So probably means there's gonna be. It's not raining either, but it's probably gonna mean there's gonna be like a big storm. Sorry, I'm looking outside. But yeah, it's just. Yeah. It's scary because it was like so nice this morning. We honestly had the paddling pool out. The paddling pool. And now it's thunder and lightning. Bye.